Hey everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am joined by two super awesome horticulturalists. Introduce yourselves.
My name is Adele. I'm from Big Bloomers Flower Farm in Sanford, North Carolina.
Hi, my name is Bill. I'm with Carolina Native Nursery in Western North Carolina.
And you may have guessed what's happened today. Bill just delivered plants for our new garden installation, but also tag teamed and got a huge delivery for Adele, which she is going to carry back to Big Bloomers to be for sale. And if you've never been to Big Bloomers, well, you haven't lived a complete life. That's basically the easiest way to put it. And you should plan to visit Big Bloomers when you come visit here tomorrow during our fall open garden.
And we will have all these beautiful Carolina native plants to sell you.
And we were just laughing because my order is stashed here. And no, those plants are not for sale. So if you come here and you want those, your next stop is Sanford.
And we'll be there.
And then if we don't have what you need, your next stop is Burnsville to go visit, right? You're in Burnsville.
We're in Burnsville,
Yes,
or we'll just bring more back
Bring more back.
to these guys.
We're just going to keep this going.
Yeah, that's the plan.
We're going to become the Raleigh retail outlets, you know.
Beautiful.
Sounds like a good plan.
Hey, bringing quality plants to the masses.
Exactly.
Yes.
That's what we're
And
all
thank
about.
both of you for getting plants from us. We love coming down to the Raleigh area, and we look forward to many more trips soon.
We're really excited about selling your plants at Big Bloomers. Excellently excited, yes.
Yeah, well, the quality is unmatched.
Yes,
So
they are the beautiful plants, all of them.
well, I hope you all will be inspired by this quick, kind of ridiculous video. But we're pretty stoked, and I think you should be too. And thank you guys so
Thank
much.
you.
It's such a
Thank you
treat to
so
see you
much.
both at the same time.
Well, you're welcome. It's great to be here.
All right, happy planting, everybody.
Bye.